Hi, welcome to a brand new session on baking with Ala Cakes on our channel Edible Vibes. We are a small boutique which deals with customized cakes based out of Cochin, Kerala. We do buttercream cakes, we do whipped cream cakes, we do fondant covered cakes. And we make those little nice pretty dessert tables, the macarons, the donuts, the cake pops, the cookies, the puddings. We do it all. No matter what customization, no matter what theme you have, if you communicate it to us, we will make it for you. We also do take classes, and as per the request of our clients, we decided to document a few of the recipes that we follow and that we try out. On this channel, we attempt to bring such recipes to life. We will be posting tips and tricks and some new ideas on cake making. I guarantee you by the end of our sessions, you will be fully equipped to bake a cake all on yourself. And not just bake a cake, I guarantee you will make good looking cakes at home and you will never have to buy another cake again. So stay tuned to this channel for more recipes, for more tips and tricks, for more ideas on how to make the fabulous cake. Our details, our Twitter account, our Facebook page, our Instagram page, you can follow us on all of these. And all these details are given in the description box below. So make sure that you do like us, you do subscribe and follow us and keep updated on all the happenings, all the events and all the ideas that we post. Now on to our recipe, chocolate chip muffins.
The first step to any amount of baking or any kind of baking is that we need to preheat our oven. So first, let's preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. My recipe gives about 18 muffins, so I will line my muffin tray with paper liners, keep them prepared and keep them aside to fill and bake when needed. First, let's mix the dry ingredients together. Sift 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. Sift it thrice if needed. Keep the dry ingredients aside. In the bowl of your stand mixer, combine half a cup of butter and 1 cup of granulated sugar. I use caster sugar here, and my butter is not so soft that it is melting over in my bowl. In fact, it is firm enough to hold its shape but soft enough to cut with a butter knife. Beat the two together until well combined. Now add 2 large eggs to your butter mix. Beat well until it becomes nice and fluffy and it's become a slight pale in color and it looks very nice and slightly thick. To this, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and combine well. Now the next step is to add your dry ingredients along with the wet ingredients. First, I add half the flour mixture and we will give it a quick whisk. And then half cup of milk and whisk. Now let's add the remaining flour to the mixture and combine. This is to ensure that your mixture doesn't appear curdled, it doesn't separate. So the ideal way to make sure that doesn't happen is to alternate your dry and wet ingredients. Our batter looks absolutely perfect and well combined. It doesn't look curdled at all. Add our most important ingredient, 1 cup of chocolate chips. You can either use only dark chocolate or you can use milk chocolate, whichever chocolate chip you prefer. I like a mixture of dark chocolate and white chocolate. So I'm adding a combination of both into my muffins. Add the chocolate chips and fold it well with your spatula until it is all well combined. Now fill your muffin trays 3/4 of the cavity with the batter. Tap your muffin tray on your counter to release any air bubbles. And let's bake these muffins for about 15 to 20 minutes or until a skewer inserted comes out clean and the tops are a nice golden brown. The muffins are done now and they look absolutely gorgeous. The tops are a nice golden brown and it's taken me roughly about 18 to 20 minutes to bake. Leave it on a wire rack to cool. Once cool, enjoy it with a warm cup of tea or toss it into your bag, take it along with you for a picnic, or you can have it to munch it on your bus on the way back from home or to work. Enjoy this delicious recipe.